Hi, I'm Kennedy, and this show is gonna be about how me and my boyfriend, I know I can't say that normal. It's about how me and my boyfriend,
Say it normal.
Sorry, I'm shy. This show is about how me and my boyfriend are finally moving into a place together, and we're gonna try decorating it in a style that we both like, or that we both compromise on.
Holy smokes.
It's fun to DIY, this is why. It's for fun to do it yourself, even though you get really sweaty. Okay. And yeah. I found this in a thrift store, and I feel like this really encompasses who I am as a decorator. This is my style. It's a blue teapot. I think there's a spider living in my teapot.
I can't.
Can you see in the teapot?
No, and I can't move the frame because of the change.
Can you see?
No.
Look.
Yeah, probably. It's disgusting.
When you're painting, make sure to try and paint in like a V style or a W so there's no streaking. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Ooh! We're fancy, and we actually got drop sheets. Usually I just use like old bed sheets or something. This tape smells like frosting. You have to do it in V's or W's or M's.
Oh, was that wrong?
Well, it's like a sideways V, but what are you gonna do? I mean, get on your own side. Get on your side. Oh my goodness, get over.
What the heck is going on? Do you want to be like, son? What is that? No, like an actual sentence, not like a...
Oh. Okay. So now we're done painting this room blue, and we're gonna go finish the rest of the apartment.
Okay, yeah.
Was that bad? Another tip that I can give you before you start painting is to make sure to wait for dry weather before you start. Cool. Who does that?
Oh!
Yeah, it was glue. Look, see? It took off this part too. The last tip that I can give you before you start painting is to make sure that you're using a good high quality brand of paint. I would recommend using Valspar, which is actually the brand that we used for the entire episode. And as you can see, it is lovely. We wanted a really fun bathroom, so we decided the best way to do that was to get some stick and peel wallpaper. And the reason that we love stick and peel wallpaper so much is because it's really renter friendly, super easy to apply. You just stick it on, and when you move or when you get tired of it, you just peel it right off.
Okay. Aha! I got it. No.
No.
It's okay. This bathroom looks crazy. I love it. Cut 1 foot, so it's a little bit of room, just in case I mess up. We're done. Okay, wow, that was a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be.
Looks good.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Should we put up David? Let me get my nails and my Penny's like, I just bought this data over. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 33 divided by 2 is like 16 and a half. So here. Hey, can you put your finger on there for me? Right there. Perfect. That's good. You should move your finger. Okay. Do you like it?
My hero.
Okay, we can stop now. I'm sorry. We can stop filming for today. Oh my gosh.
You done being crazy?
Yeah, for right now.
No, it looks good though.
Okay, cool.
I loved how all the colors turned out, and I think we actually did a pretty good job of painting. Get on your side! We're gonna make sure to have a proper full reveal at the last episode of the series. Make sure to subscribe so that you can get a notification when we release our next episode. Bye!
Barker, safety first. Put on your seatbelt.